Ja, die rang nabo. Hy wil en petrol sommer geskei. Ek sweer kom kyk hierso. Nou, is nie baie nie.
Ja, klaar. Zo kijk. Stop.
Gaan maar eers so 'n bietjie wag tot dit invloei. Hey. Ja, die
Welcome back to Franksway, everybody. Today we'll be talking about Caleb's RM80 and a bit of history, where it came from. Yeah, Caleb, over to you.
So Uncle Brian, our neighbors, they told us he found a yellow bike in a barn, well, farm. So we went to the farm, we looked at it, and we found out it was an 80cc, which was actually very rare, a 1988 model. And so we bought the bike, cleaned it up. It was maybe standing here for like 15 to 20 years. And we bought a piston kit. The first one didn't come.
Yeah.
But the second one came and we fixed it up and now it's standing here. Even the rubbers on the bike are still original.
Now this little Suzuki RM80J is like very original. The little shave marks that are on it are obviously wear and tear over the years. It's got a little tear in the seat. That's a minor thing, but to find them in this condition is really difficult. As I said, RM80J, and they changed the piston kit over, I think, 88, 89, and then it differed to up to 2006, if I'm mistaken. Just comment, rectify it on the comment section. But this was the problem with the piston kit was you could never get the exact year. And as I said, the first piston kit disappeared with our lovely postal services in South Africa. It's gone like last month's pay. We had to buy another one, and I shipped it. By that time, I went with my US, and it actually arrived. And the rest is history. The bike runs beautiful. It has been sold yesterday evening, and I hope the new owner really enjoys it. And I'm sure he knows what he has for each age that it is. Caleb enjoyed it a while, but I don't think this was a bike that had to be ridden. This always was a bike that had to be taken care of, and obviously will appreciate in value as time goes on. But this is our little barn-fired RM80J, and it's sadly leaving us today. But yeah, I'm sure Caleb bought some games and stuff on his Xbox account
50%
with the proceeds of the bike. And yes, if you have something that's old, treasure it. If you want to buy some plastics on the older bikes, very important, have a look at DC Plastics. Search on Google DC Plastics. I restored an old IT250, 80, 81, 82, 83 at some stage, and we got all the plastics from there. Cool. Anything else you want to add to the video?
Maybe my new Ethernet cable, but that's for later.
It's got a new Ethernet cable now. This Xbox is most probably running faster and not Wi-Fi anymore. But until our next video, guys, thank you for subscribing and supporting, and we'll do more projects. Until later, everybody. Franksway. Bye-bye.